too. If you want to come back, a little bungalow.
We should test out the awning today too. So can you explain what's going on here?
Whoever did this caulk just slopped it on last time, and it wasn't even covering the seams. It's all the way out here. I wiped a lot of it off, but this guy probably got to get painted back in.
Yeah. Alright y'all, don't hate me, but most of the content that I recorded in the beginning when Gia was caulking the windows and everything, and when I started painting, it got deleted because I accidentally deleted all the videos on my phone. But either way, you know, it still looks like the original design. We really didn't do too much. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. You know, we took some of the little cabinet doors off so that way we can paint them, and we started painting the kitchen area. But yeah, we didn't really do too much yet. Today the goal is to finish painting and get some stuff done. slowly moving stuff out. Renovating the camper again today, y'all. What is this? Day 5? How many days have we came here to work on it?
I guess you could say it's 5.
Not 5 whole days though. So it probably equals out to like 3 full days because we weren't here for like the whole entire day every time. But this is what we got going on. We got a lot of the paint done. Hold on. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. We got so much of the white paint done. And right now we just have to finish off the doors. And then we're about to paint the bathroom door. So we took it off. Gio took it off. And then we're not sure what exactly we're going to do with the fridge. But, you know, we'll figure it out, I guess. But this one needs to be finished. This is the only one that like has one side that's not painted. The rest of them just need touch-ups, and we still have a lot of paint left. But I'm gonna be doing like a little going away / birthday party, so we want to have it ready for that weekend. But yeah, this is where we're at so far. We definitely made a lot of progress, and I'm really happy with it. It brightens up the place a lot with the white. The white brightens it up, makes it look a little bigger. So making moves out here. Yeah, that looks really nice. I really like it. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing with y'all, even though I already opened it. But we just got the hardware in from Amazon. Let me show you guys. So since we were going with the white, the maybe mushroom, we decided to just go with these black modern hardware handles for the cabinets, especially since like this frame right here, the frame around the fridge is black. We're gonna paint the bathroom door black, but I already put one on. I got too excited, I forgot to record, but I already put this one on just to test it out, like to see how it looks. And I think it's gonna look so nice once we're finished and we have everything on. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. Like I can't even put it into words. It looks super cute. It's very modern, but I'm excited. I'm very excited.
Open up the tight end. The there we
go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like a hook.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just gotta
this
separate
ugly
it,
curtain
'cause
on.
they flattened them.
Oh, okay. To make it stay, basically.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know me, my name's Alyssa. I'm 25 years old and I'm in the process of moving out of my apartment and into a camper with my boyfriend, and we're about to travel all the way to the West Coast because we're in Jersey right now, and we're excited for the journey. It's been hard, and if you guys have been here, I'm sorry, for a while. You guys might know that I have a jewelry business, and honestly, I kind of gave up on it. But I recently realized that it's something I don't want to stop doing. And I don't want to stop creating content either, because these are things that I love. And I feel like I gave up, but I'm tired. I'm tired of being tired, and I need to make things happen at this point because I've been lazy and procrastinating, and that's why I gave up. But I'm tired of that, and I want to show you guys that no matter what, you can make anything happen and anything is possible.